So a few weeks ago, I gave my UPSC prelims, and today it's time to prepare for mains. But I think I got ahead of myself and never explained to you how was my prelims. So before I jump into the mains prep, let me tell you that story. Well, after the prelims, I was more confident that I am writing the mains this year. And the first answer key that I checked replicate the same as well.
Yeah, woke up on a fucking way. Brand new day. I just went and turned it up to
And with that pace and confidence, on 1st July, when I checked my roll number in the official list, I busted up. Hello.
भाई हमें तो पहले से ही पता था तेरा होने वाला कुछ भी नहीं है.
But you know what is more important as an aspirant if you are failing or cracking this exam? Confidence. Cool and calm mind. Hello.
भाई हमें तो पहले से ही पता था तेरा होने वाला कुछ भी नहीं है.
Thanks for your blessing, brother, but may God bless you with the success. And brothers, you know what is a good thing? I had planned my next move by plotting my strategies on ground without waiting for the results.
dark side. Yeah, she got some sharp.
But can you take a risk? Alone. Without anyone's support. If you can, then congrats. You are clearing the mains already. But you know what the biggest challenge for the self-study aspirants like me? Money. No. Time. Fear. Marks kamana. The biggest challenge for the self-study aspirants is their low confidence. And that's the fundamental thing that I'm focusing on myself as well. Cool and calm mind. Like Vikas Devikriti sir, especially for mains, I ensured that whenever I encountered any tricky question, I would answer it calmly by breaking it into several parts. I know you know, but you don't know that sometimes it won't work. But brother, that is what it is. And to be honest, these days I'm truly enjoying my optional so much. Like so much.
Go and put my toes in sand. That's the way. Every day feel like a holiday.
I know you are wondering about other GS papers, right? So let me tell you, bro, I didn't focus on it till last Saturday. But for the past couple of days, again, I'm slowly exposing myself to the geography and atlas. But bro, my atlas is outdated now. And I'm searching an alternative to this boring atlas, which could be more aligned to the UPSC pattern. So I quickly went to the Chrome browser and I got to know about this book. Oh yeah. Now I just have to wait for it to arrive. By that time, I looked at syllabus of my mains, review my optional syllabus, segregated the topics, and then finally, it is arrived. Oh yeah. So bro, it is Disha Publications Geography book. So bro, this book has 105 colorful maps, including all important sites of India and the world. And the delicious thing that this book has is their infographics with previous year questions of UPSC. And it sum up all the important topics of India as well as the world that is essential for the UPSC aspirant to know. And the best part is that all the maps and concepts are based on the NCERT curriculum. Oh yeah. So now it's time to say goodbye to the old atlas. But I love my books a lot, so I'm not gonna do that. But if you too want a best alternative and want to polish your geography subject, I'm highly recommending it. Link is given in the description. Go and taste it out. Trust me, it is so delicious. Now come to the point. So this vlog is just an intro and my mains daily ingredients are on the way. But you know that हाँ I know यही बोलोगे ना मेरा prelims clear नहीं हुआ है.
अरे नहीं अभिषेक भाई, मैं तो बस बोल रहा था, आपने ऐसे राइटिंग के बारे में नहीं बताया.
Hey, what's your name?